Hey, this is Josh from American Iron Off-Road. This is our part number 8000. It is a badass knuckle for an 05 and up Dana 60 Ford. The reason this is such a badass piece of equipment is this is a one-piece casting. The upper and lower arm are tied in. I'll spin this for you so you can see it. That is all one piece. The upper arm is radiused in with the lower arm. This lower arm is in a stock location for straight through double shear. We have this in several different variations. You can also see on that edge on the high steer arm, that right there is milled to an angle for mechanical steering. And if you come through with double shear, it's counterbored on the top for the top of the double shear bolt or the nut to be flush on that arm. And what that does is on the passenger side, your drag link comes in at an angle. So if we mill this at a matching angle, that keeps the joint, whether you're using Heim steering or another tie rod end, all in one line, so you're not misaligned from the very start. The full hydro version of this has a single hole that you can mount in double shear. There's roughly 3 inches between there for you to place your full hydro ram. And on the mechanical steering side of things, we can do the different tapers or a threaded 3/4 16 hole for Heim setups. We have basically beefed up a lot of the different webbings and thicknesses on this knuckle. So for instance, this webbing and this thickness and right here is all thicker than a stock knuckle. And we actually put a tie-in right here where it comes up to this upper thickness. With all of that beef, this knuckle weighs roughly 9 pounds more than a stock knuckle. We have the steering stop that's machined for an adjustable bolt, so you can actually adjust your steering stop right there. This knuckle is machined for a stock 05 and up unit bearing, so there's no problems there, and stock brakes. So we FEA tested this knuckle, and with the design we were able to look at it, and on 25,000 pounds of push-pull, this upper arm only deflects 45 to 46 thousandths. In a traditional steering system, that thing's only going to see probably 8,000 pounds of push-pull, so it's significantly stronger than a stock setup. So when we designed this knuckle, we decided to not pigeonhole you guys into just using a delete. You can use a stock Dana 60 ball joint. It's compatible with that or the 1200 series delete systems that we make. At American Iron, we have a no BS warranty policy. If it's under 30,000 miles or 2 years, we replace everything in the joint for free. With your guys' support buying the American Iron line of products, it's launched us to levels that I never thought we would reach. I started this from a spare bedroom in a house that I first owned, so I truly appreciate it. It means a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can send us an email through our website at americanironoffroad.com.